Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aizat bin Azhar. My project is Intelligent Climate Analysis. Background of the project. Intelligent Climate Analysis is a passive temperature and humidity monitoring system that can monitor change of temperature and humidity in real time at Media Prima Master Control Apparatus Room, which is MCAR. The climate can be monitored via web. Introduction. The temperature and humidity are vital environment components in ensuring the wealth and longevity of sensitive electronic equipment and system. The reliability of this system is absolutely critical in ensuring that all components operate reliably and without glitch. Failure may cause millions of ringgit worth of loss of airtime and may also pose a systemic risk to day-to-day operation optimization. The aim of the project is to design an intelligent system analysis that is able to record and determine climate analysis trend in order to keep the equipment at optimal condition. Objective: to study and identify the best temperature sensor to implement in the system. Second is to study and identify the best design for the system in terms of number and location of sensor. Third is integrate and test the whole system in real condition. Last but not least, to evaluate the result of the system and present the trend analysis. This is top 3 of my literature review. First paper is a study in automated speech and remote temperature monitoring for modeling web-based temperature monitoring system. The architecture of the system, they use LM35 as the temperature sensor, and Mega88 as a microprocessor, and they use web-based system. Point taken from this paper is long distance and universal communication via web-based system. Second paper is validation of range resistance of sensor through sensor data. Acquisition using Simplot, a case study. The project used DHT11 as the temperature sensor, Arduino Milanov as the microprocessor, and Simplot that used to outcome the trend analysis. Point taken from the paper is using plot to plot data for trend analysis and use DHT11 as a temperature and humidity sensor. Third paper is IoT, Internet of Things, detection of key controlling machines and wireless sensing via mesh network through internet. They use 4 types of microprocessor, which is Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, at Mega 8 and at Mega 16. Wi-Fi shield as their communication and web-based system. Web. Point taken from this paper is they are using web-based system and using Arduino Nano better against Raspberry Pi in form of size and power consumption. Methodology. There is 5 steps of methodology in order to finish this project. First, study, finding project related to intelligence climate control. Second, design the hardware, web page, and the database. Integrate the hardware and the software, which is the transmitter and receiver. Fourth is implement the intelligent climate analysis in real condition and test the whole system in control and real condition. As you can see, there's 2 parts of the system, which is hardware and software. The hardware part, also known as the transmitter, it will collect the temperature and humidity and transmit it through the PC through LAN connection. Preliminary testing. As you can see, this circuit used to test the sensor whether it works or not. The result show the humidity, and the result of temperature. Feature study. More sensors may be added based on demand. For example, infrared sensor, water level sensor, pressure sensor, weight sensor. The system may be expanded by adding Android and iOS system. Thus, the system may be implemented into other conditions and surrounding. Project risk. Cost of the project may increase due to broken and malfunction hardware. In order to come up with the prototype, long time taken for waiting hardware and delivered from other countries. Quality. Unable to rate the accurate temperature due to the resistance of connection from sensor to microprocessor. This is the Gantt chart for the last semester and this semester. Thank you.